Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to this project. After a long time, we are going to create a new project, a new course, and the name of this course will be the Sniper Shooter FPS game we are going to create. And definitely, sniper shooter games are in demand every time, every year. So we are going to create a sniper shooter game in this particular course. So first of all, we have to import some important assets. I have imported a first asset named military base asset, and you can definitely download these assets from instant.org. And now after importing this asset for environment, we also need another asset for FPS hands and gun. There are a lot of assets available on asset store for free and for paid as well for FPS hand, but I found this particular asset very useful. This asset has FPS hands, gun, and high quality gun actually, and with animations. So that is actually great. Now we will also create a folder inside our assets folder with the name of shooter. Actually, we should name it as a FPS shooter game project, and then in that particular project we will create certain folders. So we have created a folder with the name of scenes, and also we have created scripts folder, we have created art folder, and also we will create a audios folder definitely. And then we will actually later on we will create certain scripts in these assets. So now we will open the military base environment asset, and we will go for we'll just search the environment scene, and then we will save that scene as a main scene for our game. So here you can see that in the demo scenes we have this desert type scene which looks very nice, and we can save this scene as a main game scene. So I'm just going to save this as a main scene under the scenes folder under the main project folder. So definitely you can place your scenes etc in the main assets folder as well, but following this strategy is absolutely nice because we can export this as a Unity asset later on this whole project. So now I have created a scene name game scene under the scenes folder and under the project, and I will just tweak a little bit of lighting because it's very bright. Also, we don't need these character models in our environment. And now I will just select the prefabs and I'll unpack these prefabs. Although it's not necessary, but I always want the objects in my scene should be unpacked. Because when we will make changes, I will be sure that changes are happening everywhere in our scene. So that's great. Now we have set up our main scene. In next video we'll go for movements and we'll create player movements.